If your mic could speak, what do you think it would tell you?
Mic?
One thing you don't compromise on when it comes to creating music.
मैं इसमें सफ़र के लिए हूँ, मंजिल के लिए नहीं, तो आई एम हैप्पी.
अरे वाह वाह, क्या बात है. So Palak, your worst concert nightmare. The most heartbreaking lyrics you've ever heard.
Heartbreaking. I would say.
I think the world misses him. There's something about धरती और आसमान वही नहीं है without KK sir. It's changed.
I have a request if you guys can together sing a song for us.
बात दिल की नजरों की सच कह रहा तेरी कसम.
हो तेरे बिन अब ना लेंगे एक भी दम, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम, तेरे साथ हो जाएंगे ख़त्म, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम.
Hi, this is Palak,
Hi, this is Mithun.
and you're watching
Let's talk
with Faridun.
with Faridun.
Okay, so we'll end this interview with rapid fire with both of you.
अरे बाप रे.
Okay? एक ऐसा गाना जो आपके डिस्कोग्राफी को बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब करता हो.
मौला मेरे मौला.
अनवर.
जी.
Wow, I think that's a beautiful song. That is one song that you can listen anytime whatsoever. That's wonderful. If your mic could speak, what do you think it would tell you?
Mic? Don't leave me.
Don't leave me. Okay, so Mithun, one thing you don't compromise on when it comes to creating music.
Time.
You take your time.
I take my time.
That's wonderful. And बहुत से composers, I think they take pride. हमने 10 मिनट में गाना मिला दिया. A lot of people who take a lot of time.
To each their own. I respect that कि अगर वो उसको if they can reach there in that time, I only respect that. But मेरा एक प्रोसेस है, मैं जीता हूँ अपने ब्रीफ के साथ, और मेरा सॉन्ग बैंक भी नहीं है फरीदुन. मैं आज के ज़माने में भी डायरेक्टर्स से मैं उनको आग्रह करता हूँ कि मुझे आप नरेशन दीजिए, तो टू सिट एंड एक्सपीरियंस दैट नरेशन एंड देन रिस्पॉन्ड, इट टेक्स सम टाइम. बट देन मैं इसमें सफ़र के लिए हूँ, मंजिल के लिए नहीं, तो आई एम हैप्पी.
अरे वाह वाह, क्या बात है. And your songs will stand the test of time. You just mentioned about Maula Mere Maula. It's like came 15 years back, maybe 17 years. 2007, yeah. Okay, so Palak, one thing you'd like to change about the music culture of Bollywood?
I'd like to change. No, nothing. Nothing. I would rather embrace the change.
So Mithun, best compliment that you've ever received for any of your songs?
ये बात पहले भी बोल चुका हूँ मैं, बट मेरा एक गाना है कुछ इस तरह, sung by आतिफ असलम from the album दूरी. उस गाने को सुन के a couple who was going for divorce, they decided to give their relationship another chance. तो इस किस्म की चीज़ें जो है बहुत अनोखी होती है.
So Palak, your worst concert nightmare?
I think to lose my voice. Yeah.
In a concert?
Before a concert. और ऐसा कई बार हुआ है कि मेरी आवाज़ बिल्कुल ही बंद हो जाती है, इतना कि आपको बात करते वक्त भी ना सुनाई दे. And now my mom is very confident about this कि no matter how bad it sounds before a concert, the minute I go on stage, just comes back like magic. तो अब तक तो वो होता आ रहा है. I hope कि वो वैसा ही हो.
Continue करें.
Yeah.
Okay. So Mithun, a musician you looked up to a lot growing up.
लक्ष्मीकांत प्यारेलाल.
Wow.
Your father was very closely associated with them.
जी. तो उनकी वजह से I could लक्ष्मीकांत प्यारेलाल जी were not just a brand for me, because dad मुझे बताते थे कि कैसे लक्ष्मी जी काम करते थे, प्यारे साहब काम करते थे, अभी भी कर रहे हैं. तो वो जो अनुशासन मैंने सुना, वो जो पैशन मैंने, उनकी जो डिटेलिंग है, मैं उससे प्रेम में पड़ा हूँ.
So Palak, कौन सी ऐसी बात है जो आपके फैंस को आप चाहते हैं कि आपके बारे में याद रखें?
यही कि म्यूज़िक मेरे लिए सिर्फ प्रोफेशन नहीं है, एक हॉबी नहीं है, एक सिर्फ आर्ट फॉर्म नहीं है, बल्कि मेरे लिए एक ज़रिया है जिसके एक बहुत ही बड़ी ब्लेसिंग है जिसके ज़रिए मैं किसी की जान बचा सकती हूँ. सो आई थिंक दैट यूजिंग माई म्यूज़िक टू सर्व अ पर्पस, आई थिंक दिस इज़ व्हाट आई want my fans to remember.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. Okay, so Mithun, a singer that comes to your mind when you hear the following names. Effortless. Which singer comes to your mind?
सोनू निगम.
Great. Hit Machine.
Hit Machine. Arijit पे.
Arijit Singh.
Yeah.
Underrated.
Nobody.
Range.
The Great Nusrat Saab.
Wow.
Nusrat Fateh Khan. Okay. Divine.
KK sir.
KK sir. What a voice, man. And left too early.
absolutely. I mean, if you ask me about miss, I think that's the word I would use for him is I think the world misses him. There's something about धरती और आसमान वही नहीं है without KK Sai. It's changed.
Very true.
Your favorite KK song?
I think Pal. I'd go with Pal
What a song.
by Leslie Lewis. Yeah.
What a song. What a song. Palak, your favorite album of Mithun?
I would say song, Tere Bin.
Tere Bin. And Mithun, what according to you is the best song that Palak has ever sung?
I think I'll go with Kaun Tujhe. It's very intelligently done. As a composer, I can say that obviously apart from putting heart into the song, उन्होंने बहुत समझदारी के साथ उस गाने को निभाया.
Great. So Palak, the most heartbreaking lyrics you've ever heard?
Heartbreaking. I would say Tum Hi Ho. Yeah, in a way.
You should also mention about the Amit के गाने का अंतरा है. It's a very nice thought.
Yeah. From Kedarnath. Huh?
केदारनाथ है. बहुत सुंदर अंतरा है वो. But she always talks about those lines.
Yeah, I can't remember the lyrics.
कि I've done my bit, अभी आपकी बारी है. That's the thought. No?
तेरी बारी, तू भी प्यार में भा. Yeah, that song. कैसे तुम मिले हो संतरा.
Right. Okay. What's the quickest you have recorded or written a song, Mithun?
Okay, तो बहुत लोग ये नहीं जानते, but I wrote तुम ही हो within about 15-20 minutes. And Arijit वहीं पे थे. Arijit was with me in the studio. He was on the mic, and he was one big motivation for me because he really believed in what I was writing. क्योंकि मेरे माइंड में ये था कि मुझे सिर्फ गाने का ढांचा तैयार करना है. But जिस passion से he was writing and singing it back to me, that was the first reaction I got कि the गाने की जो अल्फाज है, भले ही वो शायरी नहीं है, गीत है, लेकिन वो definitely कहीं ना कहीं लोगों के साथ connect करेंगे.
Palak, if you were hosting a dinner and could invite any three music personalities from present or past, who would they be?
Lata ji, for sure. Madan Mohan ji, and be Hasrat Jaipuri sahab.
Hasrat Jaipuri Saab.
Yeah.
Lyricist, music composer, singer. क्या बात है? Okay, and finally, who's your all-time favorite music composer? Apart from Lakshmikant Pyarelal.
I think Madan Mohan Saab. I really admire his work also a lot. Very complex, very layered, very deep. But yeah, still my go-to composers are going to be Lakshmikant
Pyarelal. Great. I have a request. If you guys can together sing a song for us to end this conversation.
दिल का दरिया बह ही गया, इश्क इबादत बन ही गया, खुद को मुझे तू सौंप दे, मेरी ज़रूरत तू बन गया, बात दिल की नजरों ने की, सच कह रहा तेरी कसम.
हो तेरे बिन अब ना लेंगे एक भी दम, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम, तेरे साथ हो जाएंगे खत्म, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम.
Fantastic. ताली बजाओ यार. That is wonderful.